they underestimate the risk because they don't fully understand what it takes. Small to mid-sized businesses, once they understand the risk factor that's involved, and it becomes conversation of, let's put this through a tabletop exercise. You know, CorCystems is going to do everything possible to maintain your environment, and make sure that the standard tools and protection is in place. We are also going to make sure that you have the right backups, and we are constantly testing the backup. And if we schedule some type of DR test or incident response test or business continuity test, then they start understanding that, hey, that server that you didn't think was valuable, it starts becoming a real conversation about my acceptable downtime.